and we're going to be drawing a blue flower. My friend Isaiah requested it, and make sure you subscribe and give me comments that tell me what to draw. Like, give me ideas on what to draw. So let's get started. Let's do 2 long lines down. Stop before you hit the bottom. Like, start kind of like midway through your paper. Then draw like coming from like a quarter of the way down. Draw a half rainbow shape kind of coming out. Can you see that? There. And then draw an upside down rainbow shape connecting. Like, it should be like a leaf shape, like that. So now we're going to draw a circle that connects to the 2 lines, just like that. And now we're going to be drawing the big petals. Like, it's okay if you overlap. Don't go through it, but like stop and imagine you're drawing a line, then keep going when they're like the thing that's in the way, like you can draw again. Sorry, it's hard to explain. So yep. Okay, so now we're gonna do 2 bumps. Like, see how I did the bump right here? Like, it's gonna be the petals behind, like, so it overlaps a little bit. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so I finished that. So now I'm gonna do a bunch of dots in the center of the flower because it's just a little detail for the pollen, and I think it'll look cool. So I finished that. And so now we're gonna do some grass. So basically just do zigzags. And like, that's why we left a little space for the like flower on the bottom, because I didn't wanna like, you know, like, see? I did it like that, so there's a little bit of room for the grass. So now draw a circle in the top right corner. For the sun. And if you want, you can draw some clouds in the background. That's how I draw clouds. Just like I do kind of a canoe shape and then draw a bump on the top. It's okay if they're like a little bit weird shape, because I mean, all clouds are different. So I believe you're done with that. And now let's color. Okay, so I finished, and this is how it turned out. And if you didn't notice, I did some black lines in the leaf just to make it realistic. If you want to copy that, you can pause it right now, so you can pause and copy it. So yeah. So we are going to end this video. So bye. See you next on the next adventure. Next we should be drawing a ladybug. So bye.